Holy Mount Zion, that's where the foundation build. Yes, Lord, yeah. Don't trouble the lions then. Don't trouble the lions then. I beg you, don't trouble the lions then. Don't trouble the lions then. Tell me then, me no see no problem with bigger than my sleeve. Prayer brings vision, me see through them that big. Can't take try youth for fool, you must see no frightened. The Nero say watch them, so me take out me eyelid. Plenty say we no afraid, legacy happy set. Strong up fi we defense, grave thicker them now no sense. Youths are jailing, know that you are blessed. Victory to firehouse, them pure sabi bird. Don't trouble the lions then. Don't trouble the lions then. I beg you, don't trouble the lions then. 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 I beg you, don't trouble the lions then. Don't trouble the lions then. Was can't make honey, never learn from peace. So don't follow them, cause you will turn cornmeal. My mind is flooded with thoughts like these. Every time I start to roll my trees, I think of friends I lost, but time revealed my closest friend was always the Elohim. The Lord removed my hidden enemies, and me feel that true lion no roll with sheep. Don't trouble the lions then. Don't trouble the lions then. I beg you, don't trouble the lions then. 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 I beg you, don't trouble the lions then. Don't trouble the lions then. Movie try stop this, them not born yet. Young prophet, fire redder than the scarlet. Discipline and patience, you fi plant it. Just be mindful of who you're feeding at the harvest. Regardless, blessings in abundance, we can't vex. Just the process, made tougher than a fortress. So we can't stress, oh no, we can't stress. My road paved with carpet, them can't slow the progress.